Then after PwC, then
हाँ
VC
okay.
में कैसा?
So I mean, then I had reached a point where I was like, okay, I don't want to do this anymore, and I slowly started applying to places.
So
And
this, sorry to cut, but this, when you left PwC, you were already married or you were
I was
getting
already
married?
married. I was
अच्छा, you
already
were
married.
already
Yeah,
married.
yeah. So I met my
कितने साल
husband in
हुए थे?
PwC itself.
ओह अच्छा,
Uh,
तो
yeah. So
no brainer then.
हाँ,
Both
so
are
exactly. So for
comfortable.
exactly, and so that's why because you're in office,
He's
one
also a
is
CA
working.
only.
हाँ, same department, same team.
Oh अच्छा.
So yeah.
And
So
now
तब
what does he do?
so he now works in Nomura.
No, but okay.
Yeah. So that I mean, so you already have your partner there, right? So if suppose your partner's working, then you are also waiting back, and so that you can go together. So that way, things are also pretty comfortable.
Okay.
But eventually, both of us were very clear that after some time we want to get out of
Exit,
this.
yeah.
And so he left first, and then after that, after a year after him, I also left. And so I was looking for opportunities. Where can I do, or where can I go next? And was interviewing at a couple of places as well, and then came across. And yeah, so this was probably just another some 4 or 5 months where all of this was happening, and I had free time on my hands, right? That's when I took up dancing, teaching dancing to people, and just learning a little bit myself here and there. So तभी वो चालू था, and then I came across this opportunity, and that time they were just starting up fund too, and I joined as an intern there because they really didn't have they said the only opening they have there is an intern, which obviously will get converted into a full-time thing, and it's on the investment side, and plus obviously because it's a new fresh fund, right? I was literally probably one of the first employees to join in the new fund, so there are other aspects also that I have to look
Okay,
at.
just to pause here.
हाँ.
You were an intern.
Yeah.
After working for 6+
Yes.
years in PwC, CA, CFA,
Yeah.
को intern की तरह.
Yeah.
So tell me, because this is really interesting. I would like to know this, that what were you thinking, that okay, am I like कभी
Yeah,
कभी ego
obviously.
पे आ सकता है. I'm just being
आ
very
सकता
open.
है, अरे
You know
100%
कि
आ
वो
सकता है, and
yeah, how they are considering me as an intern, like it's okay. I'm
it's
looking for a
about-
job.
Correct. See, it's
I'm
about
hunting, but
it's about, I think, what is their requirement, who do they need at this point in time, and the fact that what do you want to do in life. I mean, and I was very clear that I don't want to go back into the consulting or the tax advisory sort of roles that I was doing in the past. So I was looking for a change, and that's why I was like, okay, fine, let's at least go here and let's check
It's a
out what is
shift.
the yeah. It was a
And I'm getting
complete
an
it was a
opening.
complete shift. Yeah. So obviously you have to start from
Take a step
ground
back
zero.
little.
Yes. And like you said, वो ego पे आ जाता है. I think more than ego पे आ जाता है, it really वो जब खटकता है when you don't see that salary hitting your bank, at least, or the kind of salary that you were used to seeing hitting your bank every month.
It would be how
And-
much percentage drop?
Oh,
Let's say 100 rupees
big.
मिलता था, तो how much
easily
you?
40% or sort of a drop
Okay.
in salaries like that. So yeah, so that is the biggest adjustment that it takes, because it's used to getting that, right? But okay, you eventually get used to it. But yeah, and your desire of how much you want to do something else. So my thought going in was that okay, let's at least try it out for a couple of months, and then we'll see whether you're liking it, not liking it, and we'll take it from there. And when I joined, I mean, this was literally the time that nothing. I mean, we were just actually still filing for an application for the fund. So I got to do a lot of those ops for fundraising support, हो गया, filing हो गया, writing the PPM, and all of that, and then obviously doing deal evaluations also on the side and talking to startups, right? And that's the first time I came to know that how active really the whole ecosystem is, and so many new things that people are trying to build out, and there are such extremely smart folks that you get to speak
Talk to.
because so far my entire circle was primarily CAs, because आर्टिकलशिप में फ्रेंड्स बन गए वो भी सारे CAs,
Yeah.
then you go to PwC तो सभी
सब
CAs हैं,
CA.
so it's like 90% of the crowd is just CAs. So to actually meet people from other walks of life, and these are extremely experienced folks
Talented,
also, right?
yeah.
And talented too, of course, and plus experience. There are people who've worked for 20-25 years in a specific domain and trying to build something there. You have IIT, IIMs, and Ivy League students, who are now trying to build something. So it's such intelligent folks which you have so far not really got a chance to interact. And you are probably one of the first people who will come to know what's the new thing in the market.
Hmm.
So that is extremely exciting, and I've actually discussed this with a couple of other VC folks as well. That what do you like most in this industry, and quite a lot of times is the response I get is the fact that you come
Get
to
to
know
meet.
what, yeah, meet new people and what are the new things that are coming out in the market,
Hmm.
like what new technology is coming, what new product is coming, solutions and stuff like that, right? It's really extremely exciting. Like your day never gets boring. Like you can start talking to somebody who's building like a workflow application that sort of a tool, and then in the
And
evening be talking to somebody who's trying to do extremely groundbreaking things in say healthcare and trying to solve cancer and for all right? So at least, and then yes, space tech and all of those things, right? So where else will you really get a chance to
and sometimes you get to
explore?
be on a podcast
Yeah.
talking interesting.
Yes, after a lot of years.
Yeah.
Yes. But yeah, so I found overall the whole line to be very interesting, and that's when I was okay for the fact that okay, let's continue this, and obviously there is an opportunity to convert into full-time role.
When
So
you
okay.
again just would want to pause because I remember one thing from my story also where after becoming a CA, I typically all my friends, everyone who were becoming a CA, they were joining either Big Four,
Yeah.
and this I'm talking about 2014-15, so 10 years back when I cleared my CA. They were doing, joining a Big Four or starting their own practice, joining their dad's business, joining their dad's CA firm, or joining MNC or something, right? I was always interested into stock markets and equities, and I wanted to get into equity research or corporate finance. And applied at a few companies, got rejected, brokerage houses like Motilal and stuff like that. And then I'd applied also at a mid-size broking firm, so at Nariman Point, and got selected there. First had got rejected because then they had stopped hiring. Then they again called and got selected that time. The salary, coming to that part, the salary which I was getting was probably uh, 50% haircut to what my peers would be getting in the traditional CA jobs जो एक fresher CA को मिलता है. So a 50% haircut in that kind of a thing. But I still took it because, as you said, right, no responsibility at that point in time. You wanted to do what you are passionate about.
Correct.
And there was a lot of support from my parents. Okay, you try to do whatever like you feel that you are good into, or you can build something out of that, right? So took that haircut also, and it was there for like 1.5 year eventually, which got covered in 1 year, 1.5 year, that got covered, and I came on par because of my performance here. At least on par with what my other CA people at with 1.5, 2 years experience would be getting in a normal CA job.
Correct.
That they would be doing somewhere. So that happened. But yeah, that what I'm trying to get to is also that once you're doing something that you like, तो वो थोड़ा hit on the money does not
Matter.
not hit you that strongly. If you're doing something what you love, and then you can probably survive for a little. You'll find out a way, कुछ ना कुछ करके you will probably come to a level where you can earn decently well for what you're doing also. Is that right?
Yeah,
That
it is.
also did that also hit you that okay, I'm at least getting to learn, I'm really loving my job, and it's giving me good satisfaction.
Exactly. So that was exactly my thoughts in that first couple of months, because that, like I said, right, it's so interesting that you really look forward to
the
coming
next
to
day. Yeah.
office and working, right? And I had reached a point where I had reduced, or rather, I really didn't have much to crib to my husband about. Otherwise, in my previous organizations, because there are so many other pressures and things to deal with, right? And you're constantly cribbing. And there was a time where if you ask him, he'll also tell you that she's actually happy going to office. And I mean, all the previous situations where you are, I mean, concerned because somebody is constantly upset with how the work is, right? So all of that things had completely gone. And other thing is, I mean, like you said, right, those things, it's just initial 1-2 years where you have to go through this, but eventually it gets covered. And in a conversation when I was discussing this with a friend of mine, and she very beautifully put it that in a career of 25-30 plus years, right, if for 2 years, 1-2 years, if there is a fall like this, where you have to go through something like this, it's not to the extent
For a
that
pivot.
you would like, so it's okay. it's just a blip on your entire 25-30 year career. It doesn't even matter. It's such a small timeline, right? And that's when it really you can
Compounding.
introspect that yeah, in a larger picture it's okay, it doesn't matter, it's just 1 year, whatever, right? So okay. And then obviously we'll come on the other brighter side. So,
That's
what
that's
it's been
very
like for me
interesting. I
also.
think that's how people should perceive. I don't think everyone does that. And when they see that, even when we are hiring, and if we are looking at a candidate who has some experience, but not in our role, not in our this field like investment banking or fundraising, etc. But they are passionate about it. So I ask them then, like you don't have experience, how can I pay you this much?
Okay.
What you are desiring? Maybe he is earning 100 rupees right now. He's expecting 25%, 30% hike. For a switch, typically people that they expect. So why should I pay you 130 when your experience is not in my field?
Yeah.
I will
Exactly,
pay you
that's a
50
fair-
rupees.
that's a
I'll
fair
pay you
point.
50 rupees. So are you comfortable? Then it will show that okay, are you passionate about it or not? If you're willing to take that chance.
Correct.
If not, then it's just on a paper that I am passionate about it. But your major concern is money.
Yeah.
That you don't want that to be hit. And everyone, it's not like that everyone is going to be in that position to accept that hit. Maybe you and me were lucky enough to take that position
exactly.
enough that okay, we
Exactly.
could
You have the financial
take that
backing.
hit for some time. चलो एक ले लेते हैं because एक छोटा सा risk है. If it works out, it will be good. If it does not, you again have to go back to the drawing board, right? But not everyone would be in that situation. That's with due respect to that point.
Correct.
But yeah, I think that matters.
It does. I mean, basically, I would say that we had that privilege of having financial backing and support of our family, so we could do it.
Yes. Tell me, coming to like, what do you, so right now in the VC ecosystem, right? As you said, you have sometimes long work hours and weekends also you're working, etc. I'm assuming it would be doing some deal closures
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff
It's typically during that time.
like deal closures हो रहा है
Otherwise, it's
तो
pretty nice and chill.
so and your husband is also in Nomura, so that
Yeah.
financial.
So he's into Asia taxation. He
Asia
manages
taxation.
all the Asian
Okay.
entities.
All right. So how do you guys unwind? What do you guys do to unwind?
Sure.
I might pick up some things also for me and my wife too.
Sure. So couple of things. I mean, the pretty standard thing that we end up doing most weekend is obviously going out to meet people. We both have our friends, families. So usually कुछ ना कुछ तो plan बनते ही रहता है, and you end up meeting folks. Other thing is, like I said, I love food, so I do like going to new restaurants. So we try doing that. Try exploring something or the other. Then both of us like to, I mean, just the classic Netflix and binge chill sort of a scene. We both like to do that also quite a lot. So yeah, we do. I mean, find a lot of common things. I have shown him how to watch good content compared to a lot
is
of
it?
yes, a lot of crap that he used to watch earlier. He still watches.
Why
some
does
of
every
those
girl
nowadays.
think that they have to, they have made their
Upgrade.
man upgraded in terms of the content?
Yeah, because I don't think so. At least he would not watch a lot of good things. There's
Like,
no
for example?
appreciation for serious drama related stuff and like very serious stories that could come out, and not just on the fiction side, even on the non-fictional side. I mean, I've introduced him to a lot of documentaries and stuff. So I really like watching
Oh, is it?
documentaries, especially on true crime or just, I mean, other things, just real life incidents sort of things. So yes, so in general we do like to do that as well.